Hi, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi, the master hairstylist of Lexi Looks. If you're new here, welcome. Enjoy the show and make sure to press that subscribe button. And if you're back, thank you. I am very grateful for you being back. So today I am making a avocado hair mask. This is my first time ever attempting to create my own concoction. And I was like, why not? Because I'm on a serious natural hair evolution where I'm repairing my hair and I have a goal to grow my hair waist length. I'm using two very ripe avocados for this hair mask. And I'm adding that straight into my blender cup. And I'm also adding in some avocado oil. And I'm also using some rosemary and mint water that I made myself with some fresh rosemary and mint leaves. And now I'm ready to just blend that all up. And I'm using my Magic Bullet blender, which I got off of Amazon for a very good price. And it does the job really well, honestly. I can't really complain. It does the jobs that I've given it so far really well. And here is the hair mask. It is nice and ready to go. It's smooth. The consistency is really smooth and a little thick. It's not watery, which is perfect. And I'm making sure I get each and every drop out of this cup. Now, I'm using apple cider vinegar to actually wash my hair and wash my scalp. This is my first time ever doing something like this, but I'm experimenting right now. I'm in an experimenting phase in my life with my hair. So, yeah, apple cider vinegar we're using. But before I start washing my hair, you see that I have a lot of dandruff in my scalp. So before I wash my hair, I usually just scratch out as much dandruff off of my scalp as much as I can as possible. I don't try to scratch it out of my hair. The goal is to just scratch it off of my scalp so that it can make the job easier, not even easier, but so that when I do wash my hair that it will be really fresh and I know that there's no dandruff on my scalp because I took this step before washing my hair. Especially being that I'm washing my hair only with apple cider vinegar. This is my first time doing that. I just wanted to be really sure that my scalp was clean. So even if you use shampoo, make sure to just scratch the dandruff off of your scalp before washing your hair, especially if you're someone like me who have a lot of dandruff. Over the last few years, I just been getting a lot of dandruff on my scalp, and yeah, it's itchy. It's really itchy. It's not a comfortable feeling. So yeah, before I wash my hair, I scratch the dandruff off my scalp. And now I am ready to wash my hair. Let's go. All right, I am in the shower and I am wetting my hair down before washing my scalp and before washing my hair with the apple cider vinegar. Also, please keep in mind the apple cider vinegar I'm using contains the mother in it. I believe that's really important. It's a really important bacteria. So make sure to get the mother apple cider vinegar. I'm using this detangling comb to part my hair into sections just so everything is organized while I'm cleaning my hair with this apple cider vinegar. Okay, I'm taking my spray bottle with the apple cider vinegar and I'm targeting my scalp directly with the apple cider vinegar. And I'm taking that all the way to the back. So, yeah. And be careful because the apple cider vinegar, it went into my eyes and it started stinging it. Like it wasn't a pretty feeling. So, when you're using it, make sure to like keep it away from your eyes because if not, it will burn and sting your eyes. So, yeah, I'm continuing with this side, doing my little part because it's really important to stay clean and organized because you want to make sure that your scalp is squeaky clean. So, spraying that directly on my scalp in the front and in the back. And then after I spray it, I make sure to rub it just to really get into my scalp and make sure that I'm loosening any dandruff that's on there still. So I'm scrubbing my scalp after I spray it. And that's basically what I'm going to do for the rest of this portion of the video. And by the way, I really love this spray bottle. I love how the water comes out of the nozzle. It comes out like a mist, fresh of air, really gentle and nice, but very effective. I'm not sure where my hair clip is of me spraying the apple cider vinegar all over my hair because it's also important to wash my hair strands before washing the apple cider vinegar out. So, yeah, I definitely sprayed the apple cider vinegar all over my hair because it's important to clean my hair strands also before washing it out of my hair. Alrighty, it's now time to apply this homemade avocado hair mask. So, because of oxidation, it turned a little browned, but whatever, we're still using it. So, my hair is in two sections, and I started applying it to one side just to be really neat and organized and to make sure my hair was really saturated with the avocado mask. So continue watching and you'll see how I applied this avocado hair mask to my hair. At this point, I started to take larger sections and just putting the avocado hair mask into the section. Instead of doing it piece by piece, I just started to take larger sections, which I actually feel more comfortable with. So if I do this avocado hair mask treatment again, I'm just going to do it in larger sections instead of piece by piece. And I used my detangling comb just to comb it through my hair, making sure it was evenly distributed on each and every strand. So my poor hair, as you can see, I have a lot of breakage on the perimeter of my head due to heat damage, which is the reason why I decided to try an avocado hair mask just to see how my hair would react to it. I'm definitely in a stage in my life with my natural hair where I'm ready to treat it way better than I ever had before. And I'm ready to give it the tender love and care that it needs because I have a goal for it. I want healthy hair. I want my healthy hair back. And I also want to grow my hair as long as possible. So, yeah, y'all are definitely on a journey with me and my natural hair. So, this was really interesting trying an avocado hair mask. I usually just use regular shampoo and conditioner for my hair, but I decided that I wanted to try something different. All right, so this stage right here, I'm putting my hair into four box braids. I always do this, even if I use regular conditioner. At the end of me washing my hair, after I apply conditioner to my hair or a mask to my hair, I usually put my hair into four large braids. And I'm keeping it in overnight, or you could just keep it in for 1 hour. So now it's the next day, and I am ready to wash this out of my hair. I definitely had a plastic cap over it with my towel just so that it wouldn't leak out. I'm washing the avocado mask out of my hair with my braids. I usually like to wash the product out with my braids still being in because it makes the process much easier as far as when it's time to detangle my hair and comb it out. And that is it. I will make sure to leave an update on how I felt about this hair wash day because I am editing this after 2 weeks. So I would definitely let y'all know how I feel about this. But it definitely wasn't a waste of time. Make sure to take care of your hair. Mwah.